Hello and welcome to Life and Pig Grow, and today we're in the greenhouse and we're talking about coir pellets. Now today we're going to be talking about how to plant beans in coir pellets, and specifically we're sowing prize winner, French bean Blauhild, runner bean Scarlet Emperor, dwarf French beans, and finally Cobra. So how do we take this and make it into something we can plant into? I'm going to show you how to do that now. So here we have a truck full of water, and it's just a matter of adding the coir pellets and letting them swell up. It won't take long for them to swell up. So, hopefully 10 minutes later, expand into these. And it's quite easy then to fill a large tray like this and start to sow your beans into it. I'm going to show you how to do that now. So, I'm sowing prize winner. And it's really just a matter of shoving them in like that. And then pinching them closed, pulling them down a little bit, and that's it. I'm going to do half and half on this tray. So half a prize winner and half a Scarlet Emperor. That's the beans planted up. Some of you may be thinking, well, that's too small for a runner bean, and you're right, it is too small for a runner bean. That's going to stay there. What's going to happen is when the plant starts to grow and we have our first two true leaves, I'm going to plant it out. And the reason I'm going to plant it out, and I'm going to show you now how to do it, it's a bit of a hack. I'm not leaving them in the greenhouse. I'm putting them somewhere else, so I'm going to show you that now. Here's the hack. It goes outside on some staging, and we cover it over just to make sure no mice get to it. And as soon as it starts to grow, off this will come, and out they'll go into the garden. That's it from Life and Pig Grow. If you enjoy our films and want to subscribe, please do. Every subscription helps us grow. Until next time, bye bye.